Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel BIM for Construction. So in this today episode of Navisworks tutorial series, we will be discussing about the quantification. Okay, how you can extract the quantities from the Navisworks itself. If you are not having an access to the Revit files, then how you can easily extract the BOQ from Navis itself also. So here you can see we are having a 3D model. Here we are having different files: architectural, drainage, firefighting, HVAC, structure, water supply. So we will be using the HVAC file. Okay, we will be extracting the quantification or the BOQs for the HVAC file here. So I am hiding the rest of the file except the HVAC one here. So you can see here in the HVAC we are having some mechanical equipments, we are having the ducts, we are having piping, then we are having a terminal. So all these data, if you want to extract in the Excel, then how you can do this we'll be discussing. So here in the home tab you are having a feature, as you can see here, quantification. With the help of this quantification you can extract the data. So let's start. So first step, we have to simply click on this quantification. Okay, after that a quantification window will be open. Okay, this one will be open, this window first. Next step is you have to click on the project setup. After that you have to choose, okay, according to which format you want to categorize your BOQ or the quantification. So for this one, most of the cases you can go with the none, and if it is specifically mentioned from your client side, then you can choose. Okay, so for now I am going with none. Next, again, the metric or imperial, what unit you want to proceed as per your project, you have to choose. So right now I'm using it as a metric. Okay, then all these parameters you can check, and if you don't need some of the parameter you can ignore. So all these parameters data will be available with the each quantities whatever extracted from this file. So last, next and finish. Okay, so here we have set up the project. Now we have to choose the file. To choose the file, simply you have to go to the HVAC NWC, right click here. Now quantification option is available. You have to simply click on the takeoff to new catalog item, and all the quantities will be added here. Understood? So here you can see we have all the HVAC categories here also. So if you go here HVAC, then in the HVAC we are having total 4 levels categories. So you can see here also. Then in the ground floor we are having air terminal, duct accessories. So all these categories will be exported here in the quantification tab also. Okay, so you can see air terminals total. Okay, you can check how many quantities are there. Total 600 by 600 air terminal quantity. So it will show you the parameters value here also. Now we want to export all this data in Excel. For that one you have to simply go here, and you will be finding an option export quantities to Excel. You have to simply click on this, and you will be selecting a location. So let's say I am already having this, so I am overriding the file HVAC BOQ. Simply click yes, and your Excel will be ready. So it will take around 30 to 40 seconds for this file size, and if you are having a bigger file, then it will take more time. So here you can see lots of tabs will be there, so you can go and check the data. Okay, whatever data available in which tab as per your requirement. So I will show you one sample. So here you can see in the group 1 we are having an HVAC file. Let me show you in the Navisworks itself. This is our group 1 which is showing the HVAC file. Then if I go forward, group 2, it is showing the levels, whatever levels we are having here. Then the group 3, it is showing in the ground floor we are having air terminal, duct accessories. Okay, so group 3 is showing the element type. So this is how the elements are exported and categorized here. Okay, so if I will be checking the mechanical equipment, let's say if we will be going to group 3, we will be checking the mechanical equipment. So total this number of mechanical equipment it is available. So let's do the quantification. So you can see 101 quantities of mechanical equipments are available in the model. So some outdoor units, some split indoor units, some air curtain, some isolator pad. So if you go to Revit itself, so in Revit also, if you are extracting the BOQ with the help of schedule quantities, you will found that in the mechanical equipment there are 121 categories also there. Okay, so from here you can check the count. Okay, You can do the sum of all these and you can check the count. So 101 we are having right now. Now let's move again. You can check all those data and you can refer to your required one. So now you can see here in the Navisworks space, different elements are having different color presentation here because of the quantification, because we have run the quantification. Okay, now let's say if you want to change some property, because if you see here we are having only the data properties, that is model length, model height, model width, okay, area, but we want some other data. So how you can export, how you can map the particular parameter as per your requirement. So let's say if I will be going here, okay, this unit I am selecting, I will be going to properties. Okay, in properties here we can see in the custom, okay, we are having some more properties. So you can see here in the element we are having a mark value, that is CU02. So we want this data to be extracted in the quantification. Okay, so how you can do that? For that one, simply let's close it again. So we have to remember it is showing into element and then mark CU02. So we'll be going to here again, item catalog. Here you are having an option to property mapping. So you can simply click here property mapping, then you have to click here add. Then after that we have to select what we are looking for element, what we are, in which parameter we want to map. First of all we want to select that. So let's say in the description one we want to map that one. So if I go to Excel again, you will be seeing all those parameter description, okay, then comments, then group, then group 2, then group 3, group 4, item, all those here we are available. So we have to map those parameter into one of them. Okay, understood? So description one I am choosing for now. Okay, then here in the category, what category we are looking for? Element. Okay, so we will be searching here element, then element mark value that we have checked. So we will be looking for the mark. Okay, okay, finish. After that finish again, now we have to go and we have to again export the data. So I am closing this Excel for now to override this one. Okay, and here after that you can export quantities to Excel and again you can place it, override it. Okay, so this is how you can map the parameters as per your requirement.